This is for a 2011 GMC Acadia SLT package. Service park assist light on the dash. Conditions also: key will not release from the ignition lock cylinder. Blinker is inoperative in the back. I cannot find anything anywhere online for this issue, and other people had the same problem. The internal fuse box underneath the passenger side kick panel up here, there's a fuse for the right turn signal and the left turn signal. The camera, backup camera, that ignition lock solenoid is all tied to that circuit. And it did not throw any check engine lights. But after going through one by one through schematics and testing the fuse box, that's what I found to be wrong. And it solved the issue, and I haven't had a problem since. Hope this helps somebody.